Sometimes in threads, others may not be able to mention you. In this video, we'll be telling about how to solve this problem. If others are not able to mention you in threads, what you need to do is open threads application. After that, down here you can see profile button, click on this button. When you are clicking on that, above you can see two lines, click on these two lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, privacy. Click on privacy. When you are clicking on that, you can see mentions. Click on this button, and when you are clicking on that, sometimes it will be set to no one. That means no one can mention you. So this might be the reason for others not able to mention you. In this case, you need to change these settings. Either you can select everyone. If you are selecting everyone, everyone can mention you even if they are not following you. Or you can select profile you follow. That means only profiles that you are following will be able to mention you. You can select whichever you want. Anyways, if you are selecting either of these options, that problem will be solved. So this way you can easily solve not able to mention problem in threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.